Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. And anything that can make laundry day easier is an absolute must have.
BAOKALER has made this beautiful four-tier laundry hamper setup that is so convenient. It was so easy to put together. It only took me about 5 to 10 minutes. Everything snaps together perfectly, and you're left with the most amazing sorting station. It even has a really convenient tray on top so you can store things like your laundry pods and stain removers. It's so great because I like to collect everything in one big hamper and then sort it before I put it in the laundry. And this really just makes it so easy to do, and I am loving it.
Make sorting your laundry an absolute cinch with this amazing four-tier laundry basket. You are going to be so happy to have it. And that is my point of view.